Can anyone hear me? Is this stream going? I don't know. I can't always be sure with this. Alright, so we may have to just bump that all the way up. There we go, much better. Okay. And I have to constantly change the mic settings because it's just so crazy nowadays. Oh wait, maybe what is the hold up, give me a second. Well, that explains everything. Okay. So what does that do actually? Hello? Let's just test. Start the YouTube stream with a really huge test. Okay, I probably shouldn't just blurt that out nowadays. Oh my god. Just basically just imagine being in my having to stream at home and not in the dorm. It's just a nightmare.
Riley/Ryan said I can hear asterisk.
Okay. Hey, just a quick question. I'm testing some stuff like the Discord overlay, so it's gonna show this voice channel, the chat in the voice channel. Are you cool with that? Through the live stream. Alright, you can. Are you gonna be like in the room or something? Alright, whatever. I guess you'll see what I mean. I'm just testing some of the overlays.
Ryan said yeah.
Alright, cool.
Ryan said cool with anything IG.
I mean that's your decision. I'll just respect it either way. Anywho. We're making game. We're making program. Today. And I got the very clunky keyboard connected, so I don't know, this could be just a part ASMR pitch or something. I don't know at this point. So what I'm making, if you don't know, I guess if what this is really like a game of liar's dice. If you don't know really that is LTIR, it's where you literally bid. You have a bunch of players with a set amount of dice. You bid on how much of the side of the dice is frequent, and if things just get a little too hairy, if the bet seems to be going a little over, people can challenge that bet, and if they're right, it went way over the top, the person who made the previous bet lose a dice. But if the previous player who made the previous bet was truthful about it, the person who challenged loses the dice. And it's just whoever ends up with 0, game ends. So it's pretty simple. For the most part, it's just gonna require a few things. And I did a little bit of something just making the over general specs and all that. And this is how people will tend to code. Well, this is how I generally code in Java. I guess we'll gonna start here. All right, wait a minute. Let me. I need some music here. No, none of the. Let's see. What's a good one? Alright, almost. We start with that one. If the music gets a little too loud, just let me know. If my voice gets way too loud, just let me know as well. I want this to, you know, just a chill stream. I don't want any ear holes being destroyed in the making of it. I'm just doing some quick adjusting. There we go. If you want to know like the songs I'm listening to, you can just check the description. They're from C418 and there's like an EP from Lena Raine.
Riley/Ryan said I on phone so my replies may be as slow ASF.
No, that's fine. Alright, you're good. Anyway, I guess we'll start here. Okay, so what would be the start here? We need to get, so there's game state, game setup, 2 players. Okay, so we need a okay, so we need to import a scanner here. Then we're here. That's really behavior. We'll just do like a utilities. And then we'll have string you are, no, need something a little more specific than you are. Okay, so that should start with 6. I think we'll figure out. Alright, we're gonna kind of work all our way here. So let's see. No. What if let's see. Did I do this right? I'm trying to remember. It was rows and then all. Yeah, okay. Okay, I said this wrong. Besides, I want to actually leave it up to I want to leave this up for just to save space in the array and to make things a little more smoother. So let's see, or no, we need, let's see. Okay, so I think first we need like a little thing here, like, just to explain the program, or just introduce the program, because that's something that I generally do. Let's see. What was it? 113? I gotta update. I'll update everything. to be quite honest. I'll have that everything updated. This is in main, right? Okay, cool. Just want to make sure. So let's see. What is it called? Player's dice. Okay, so player's dice of 0. So this will be the. I'm gonna say that's P1, and then the one column, the second column would be yeah, because normally I guess those who are new to programming and all that, the 0 is actually usually the first in an array, and then when you get to, as you increment in the array, you continue to go further down in the array and all that. Let's see. Let's see. Player's dice equals new int, and this will basically create a new array with player dice remaining, and then players dice 1 equals new int CPU. Let's see. I just need a Java doc this. So introduce software. So this is how the game works. So let's see how the battle plan works is that we first assign new int in the array, which we'll use for keeping dice, and then roll dice into array. Then after that, I swear, I feel like this music, it just feels so, okay, never mind, it is kicking in. I thought it was, starting to get a little, over the top and all that. Okay, so let's see, roll dice into array. And then give player, then we take turns, roll dice into array, and show players dice. Take turns. Challenge occurs. Commence challenge accepted. Update them dice counts. And then wash, rinse, repeat. And then close program with winning state. With winning statement. Alright, so we have, let's see. This is where we're gonna just bounce off the walls here. So these two have already been coded in. And then this is just gonna be this that I have to work on. That's gonna be a nightmare. Let's see. So for this will be, what was it? Players dice dot length. Did I create a new random? Hold up, give me a second. I may have not created a new random. I may have to import that as well. Yeah, I have to import that real quick. All right. Cool. So first we need to, we don't just cause, we could just find, take the utilities and just do random, rand equals new, random, and then go back to nesting these for loops. Players dice of I dot length j plus plus. So players, hold up. Okay, so if I do 6, the random will go from 0 to 5, so I'm gonna have to increment it by 1. So players dice of, let's see, I, then j equals rand dot next int 6 plus 1. Oh my god, why am I always doing that? Okay, so we rolled the dice into that array, so the right dice rolls for you, and then We need to then show the player's dice. System.out println your dice for the round. Should I do a... I'm thinking, you know, I'm just thinking about this. Maybe do like a round keeping system. I think that's really easy to do, to be quite honest. It doesn't take that much. So I guess I could just do that real quick. Let's see. Game setup, we have int round equals 0. And while it goes, we can just have this increment. Your dice for round, and then you can just make that all clean and shit. And then it should only print the AI's dice, or no, excuse me, that should only it should only print out your dice, not the AI's dice, because it's like, you know, think of it as like a cup. You can't, it's like an opaque cup. You can't really see that within that kind of cup. All right. That's all right, whatever. I'm not gonna enlist it anyway. Let's see, I is equal to 0, and then player's dice 0, and then and then the taking turns begins. So when take turns, determine if raises bid or challenge. And then this is a whole fucking loop in itself. So we got game state. Might as well make a boolean here. Is challenging to see, you know, to make sure that starts all needing shit. All right, so while there is no challenging commencing, we're gonna create, and also we're gonna create a we're gonna put it in the game setup here. Or no, wait, I have it already here in the your turn. Let's go. Okay, so your turn would be true. So if your turn, else, and this would basically be CPU's turn. which I'm gonna make a rule for now, just to be specific. The CPU will only. I'm not gonna do that. It's only going to challenge when. So we gotta give. Okay, so here, let's give it some rules real quick. So CPU. Oh, goodness gracious. Whoa. Okay. I just got a bit of a cramp. Hold up. Whoa. Excuse me. My apologies. Anyway. So CPU rules. Might as well make some rules here. So CPU rules. Can only bid one higher than previous bid. Will challenge only if the so the CPU will challenge only if, let's see, what's a good ratio? We're gonna call CPU, we might as well make it a final. Let's see, final string CPU difficulty, final, int CPU, how do I say this? Challenging. So CPU challenging magic num. And we're gonna say no. We're gonna say well, that's the thing. We'll just say 2 for now, and we can always edit that later. We'll just see. Look, we're just gonna just make a comment. Possible logic. Only if threshold, only if bid meets or no exceeds total dice minus the magic number. Cool. Anyway. I might as well give a format. Or no, how about we disclose it earlier? Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens. So what is it? User response equals, so user response equals next line. That's where we get to this little bit here. So we need a int equals space equals let's see. So int space equals string, or no, bid dot index of this, I think. Hold up, let me quickly check the index of just the syntax. Okay, cool. So in space, so return. So we need a integer dot parse int of bid dot substring 0 to, let's see, what would that do? If it would be 1, it would this is why you know, here's a very relatable thing about coders. People think coders are like the crazy, you know, bastard dark world hackers and all that, but literally it's 30% writing shit down, 30% looking shit up, and then 30% trying to think about all the logic and shit. It's so fucking relatable. Hold up. What is... Yo. Where am I anyways? What is this? So... yeah, parameters swapped. Oh, so it only picks up the first? Is that true? I guess so. I'm just going with some random website that's not Stack Overflow, so I don't know. I honestly don't know. So that would parse that. And then we're just gonna straight up kind of copy and paste code here. And then instead of this, we're gonna say You know what okay. Let's okay, here's the funny thing. I'm like all over the walls because instead of writing stuff down, I instantly think of like it's literally right before I write stuff down. I literally think, okay, what are all the million and one things that would literally cause this thing to go to hell in a handbasket? And I'm already thinking about something wrong with this, and I'm like, okay, maybe we could just write it all the shit down and then figure it out later. Okay, so what would I do again? Oh, shit. String. Let's see, val die equals, and this time it will just go to bruh. This is why you don't start a variable with a number. So space, would that mean it would go for, I have to look at the documentation again. Holy crow. Start from position 2. Okay, I'm gonna keep their word for it. Anyway, let's just get it going. Die current die, and then die dot ones. So then we're gonna I'm gonna create a little switch command. And we're gonna say or maybe I think you can do switch commands. Hold up, switch. See, this is what happens when you forget how to do. This is what happens when you haven't coded in a month. You feel just like, whoa, what in the hell? I don't even know what to do. Hold up. Will it do? I don't know. Will it do the? Can do chars. I don't know if it can do strings. Oh, it can do strings. Okay. All right. This is what we're gonna do then. So switch. This will be just a returning switch. So switch. We're gonna call this val die, and then begin making our cases. Hopefully by the time I finish, it's like graduate with like, you know, some form of a computer science degree, I'll hopefully be able to, you know, not have to rely on documentation. But even then, there's not always a chance. Is it? So case. I don't know how to do this again. Let's go. Anyway. Let's see. So let's see. Ones. Oh, that would be weird. How do I get it to lower? Okay, I do want to ask, how do I get it to lowercase? Because that will make things easier. I think there's a way. Yes, all right, cool. Then we'll do it. So, to lowercase, and then case ones return die dot ones, and then after this, once I do this, it will
Ryan said this just feels like me trying to remember Minecraft recipes.
yeah, no shit. You get, yeah, no. I mean, literally, if you've been on that grind, like, if I were on a grind right now, I probably would be just not having to worry about documentation, but, like, this is probably the first time I've done some actual coding in well over a month, so you lose it, and that's just what happens when you don't do things for a while. And it doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be like very long. It could literally be 3 days, and by then you forget everything about what you learned in the past week if you don't do it, like, you know, constantly. And then default will be return. Okay, if that is the case, we'd have to make it static. All right. All right. Let's see. That looks like a whole lot of craziness. Might as well compile it. If I can. All right, we're good. Let's go. This is why. Oh boy, this is why you. Oh, well, no wonder. Legal start of expression. What the fuck are you talking about? Identifier. Well, distance on out. Yeah. Well, that hopefully will get fixed when I recompile everything. Nope. Oh my god. What is wrong with you? I just want to just make things work. Why can't you do that for me? Illegal start of expression. Hold up. Illegal start of type. It's mostly because of this. Alright. Well, let's see. Maybe we'll see what happens. Return. Yeah, no kidding, because it's not there. Oh, you know what I could do? There we go. Haha. Problem averted. And that just avoids. Yep, there we go. Just made literally having the console shit its pants and then turning it to just, you know, get it shut together. All right. Let's see. I want to run this son of a gun. So it would be LD game. Okay, so it gives that. I do need to. All right, hold on. I need to kill it. All right, hold up. Let's print a new line here. How crazy is this now? Okay, cool. It's just I always have to make sure. I just have to give my mic checks because sometimes this mic with the can always just is always off the balls crazy if I don't talk enough within a given time period. It's just it's a weird thing. And then might as well do like another take turns, determine if bid raises or challenge. Okay, so it does show the dice. It does show the there. Everything seems to be running smoothly. Now we get to basically need to run an algorithm or just a simple algorithm to check the response. So if okay, so there's gonna be, we're just gonna make things a little simpler, and then as I go forward, I will make it so it would be less crash proof. It would be, or sorry, more crash proof, and people wouldn't make some like bullshit answers or something. But anyway, so if we add, oh shit, I forgot. I had to create players. Oh. That's the whole purpose of this. No, it's okay. It's all right. We're good. We good. Fuck. What was the person? Oh, that makes sense. Anyway, so player P1 equals. Just create some new players real quick. So we'll give the players dice array. Give it a name. We're just gonna call it player. So if user response equals I'm just gonna keep it safe here. Just call. I know this is inefficient, but we'll make it efficient. We'll just set is challenging. To true, and make sure is challenging is set to false per new round. So let's say is just as a precaution. And then every rendition it will just literally cancel everything, and it will junk everything. So else we have string, or no, wait, int let's see, int num bid equals, and then we can just literally copy get num of bid. Oh wait. Never mind. Okay. We'll fix everything when I'm thinking I'm thinking so many goddamn steps ahead. I'm thinking way too many steps ahead with this. And I'm getting nowhere if I do that. Just oh my goodness. This is the story of my life. Always thinking way too many steps ahead to save my life. User response. Let's see, what was the thing? It's everywhere, current die. In fact, I might as well just say fuck that shit and just copy it over here. It's too damn. That would just be a nightmare. And that would save a lot of storage in the long run. And then we get to p1.bid. This is where we finally get okay. We're gonna fix this thing because this one fucking sucks. Okay, so int what was it? Num die val. That seems good enough. Num bid val die. How am I gonna... How do you get the last bid though? That's the thing. No, wait, never mind. Oh, because it saves. Okay. It saves. This is saved. So when it comes to the... Because ultimately, at the very end, the program is literally just going to say, okay, not your turn anymore. Give it to the next person. And then here, okay, it's your turn now. So this will, no, it won't. God damn it. Oh, wait. Unless I, no, yeah, it will save. Okay. It will save everything. And even for debugging purposes, I might as well. Okay. I'm lucky I'm streaming all this because I have all these ideas. And for debugging, and holy crap, we're right up to an hour now. And we're just getting into the real crazies of this shit. Let's see, numbid val die. So let's see, fix that up. We fixed up that. Oh, we need a new. Do we make that the user response? Yeah. Just overwrite it, I think. Because it will read from, so reads from user response. And then we have challenge, get dice, which can just return dice. Anyway, let's work on the bidding part of this. Didn't I? I'm trying to see here. Okay, this is melting my mind. Okay. Whatever. We're just gonna, okay. Let's make this work. Let's just have it work properly before we just go crazy, just making sure it just works to the basic point and I can just perfect it later. I'm right now in the middle of working and perfecting, so I'm literally trying to clean. I'm literally like editing already in my mind when I have nothing in here to edit, which is like the shit that you don't want to do ever, and yet I'm doing it because it's like, okay, it doesn't work right. No, you just fucking let it happen. Ooh, that's a problem. You know what? I'm just gonna go Yandere dev meta and literally fucking do if else statements. I can always clean it later, but what is it? It's 12 o'clock. Anyway. So let's see. Return num plus else fee. Why do I do that? Alright, so that was fixed. Okay, so now we need... Where am I at? So we got that. So now, begin the challenge. So if your turn, so if you did that within, or no. Or no, how do we do this? Instead of waiting for shit to occur and delaying the inevitable, we're just gonna break. Let's see. Now we're gonna. I might as well do system. And then we're just gonna say for now, numbid +1. Alright, let's see how that looks. Then we need to show, and then we do CPU, or no, we have to write the challenge thing, but let's make sure it's working properly first. Yeah, fine, kill it. Alright, gotta be a little more quieter. Hello? Is this still working? I don't know if I'm... Okay, never mind. It is working. I just muted my mic because... That's all. We're good. Just gonna increase the volume up a bit because then I'll probably be speaking a bit. I might just go a little silent. I thought I had this. Wait, is it a spelling error? Of course it's a spelling error. Alright, I'm too lazy. Kill. Cool. So if we had, let's see, we're gonna do 3 3s. Okay, that's a problem. Did I spell it wrong? Hold up. I need to know something. Hold up. We're just gonna use some symbols real quick. Because I don't have a debugger just on standby. We'll call that our debugging symbol. Yeah, that's our debugging symbol. Plus just need to make sure it works. Okay, you can kill that. At least it worked. Okay, we're gonna go with the 3 5s. Why did it give me ones? Excuse me? Did I do this improperly? Why did it give me ones? At least it's working properly. Maybe I turn... No, that won't work. Hold up. Are you sure I can do this? Expert. This isn't telling me anything. Cool. We may just see our culprit here. We're gonna start with... Aha! That's your problem. That's our problem. Well, I figured out the problem with that. Let's go. Alright, nice to know. Yeah, kill that. Okay, so this time we're gonna go with the 2 2s. Aha, now it works, let's go! Now we're just gonna go with... Yeah? Myself, I'm coding. Just enjoying how things work properly. Just enjoying the satisfaction when things work properly. I'm working on a game. Making one. Another time, it's too late. Yeah, sure. Hot mic. Oh, the bloody hot mic. Alright, so it looks like... So bid 3 4s. I'm just gonna say I don't know. So we're just gonna do challenge. Aha. Okay, so it changes the round. Alright, nice to see that that works. So now we need a... Might as well create a new line for a new empty line for each round. And I might as well say, was it CPU dot or that out to line, and this will basically create the toString method. This will just call its toString method. So we'll just kill it again, see it's working again. Okay, we're gonna up the ante here. These 5s. I'm gonna go a little over the top. And challenge. What's my dice? It's 3. Wow. Nice. The CPU has a mind of its own. Okay, who chatted? I don't know. I'm not a big fan of like who people literally, I don't know if people chat spam or if it's literally a link to some sussy website or some shit. I just find it really weird. Alright. Let's see. So then we create P1. And then CPU dot challenge. And how did I do the challenge? I did bid and then, so it would be the response and then CPU. Oh, it's gonna be a boolean. So we're gonna say boolean successful, or no, we're just putting in an if statement. If p1.challenge, if it was true, we'll say challenge success. Then we can go to, what was it, CPU dice remaining. So we have CPU dice remaining. Minus minus is down to which reminds me, my phone's gonna go off really quick, really soon. Might as well dismiss that. Everything's catching the hot mic. Everyone wants a piece of the hot mic. And if it wasn't successful, it fails. Is it P1 or player? Player, okay. Just want to make sure, because syntax is everything. And then we got to do the same thing here. If that was true, it's just going to be in reverse order. And else. Challenge failed. And CPU is less dice. Trying to see what could I do here. You know, I could literally just do something like this and just I just literally need the number. And oh no, I need the whole damn thing. Okay, whatever. Might as well just do that. Might as well say current die equals val die to make things simpler. This one I'm just simply seeing if the challenge will work, and then we can see if it works. So we need to literally do this. Would have to do something like this, just literally just straight copy and paste, which is okay because this will all be forgotten because it's out of the is challenging loop. But it will get a little messy. Let's see, we're gonna just adjust it a bit. We're gonna say num bid val die. And then let's see, changing voice all the time. Mic gain hasn't changed ever since. I think people can still hear my voice properly. I don't know. I'm not the one that does it. I'm so hyper skeptical of everything. Anyway, just need to update some shit. Okay, so this is where the challenge occurs. So we have a final. No, I don't think that would work. A final. Highest die, and we'll just literally have it copy it and paste this shit, except everything is literally, and by the way, this is something you shouldn't want to do as a habit. I'm just doing it because it's late at night and I can just always revise it off stream. But don't get in the habit of this, just copy and pasting code and then making this entire Yandere dev meta here and using a shitload of if-else statements. I don't know what that is, so we're just gonna say that. And it's gonna have to do a search algorithm for all three of them. Equals 4, 5, highest die equals 6. Hello, 6. And then we create the, what is it, find so in terms, if frequency, so if frequency is on frequency, so frequency is over num, then turn true, the challenge was successful. Else turn false. And then for int key equals 0, and this is for the die. I'll have to get their dice. Okay. Which reminds me, I need to make them private. That's another 101 thing I forgot. Is you always keep shit private. So this is private. And this is private. The stuff in main, you don't need to really care if they're private or not because it's in main. But when you're doing with like other classes, like what do you call it? A class without a main, and you have declared values, you have to keep them private. Why? Because it's the law. What else? What else? What else? What did I do? I need to get the, what was it? Int op dice equals challenged dot get dice, and that should return their dice with their dice. And to be honest, I'd rather have it like kind of over here, out of the way of things. So let's see, dice dot length. Yeah, so dice dot length, and then p plus plus. So if so what was it? If dice of p equals highest die frequency plus plus, and that will count, and then we'll as a debugging, as part of debugging, we'll make a little just in case we run into some problems. And then, oh, for fuck's sakes, come on. I hit shift. Can't do control shift. It's because can't do control shift and up. And we're just gonna change everything to O for opponent. Call it op dice, and then op dice of O. And I think we have the challenging predicament done. Did it do? I'm gonna do, this is unnecessary, but I'm gonna just do a quick escape sequence here, and this will create a new line, just so it can just look a little more nicer. Alright, back to, how did I do that? Did I do Alt? What the fuck? Okay. I don't know what just happened. Can you close out of this? What the fuck do you mean it doesn't exist? No. It doesn't. It does exist. It's fucking right here. What are you telling me that shit doesn't exist? Alright. See if this works. Did I hit? Oh, I hit special. I hit the Windows key and. Okay, that's weird. Weird. Hello. Let me. Oh my god. Whatever. What do you mean it can't be converted to Boolean? My man, I added. What the hell? It is. Int cannot be converted to Boolean. What the fuck? What? Hold up. It doesn't work. Did it work for P and all that? Alright, screw that. What is all this? Whatever. Didn't have a problem with everything else. So why the hell is it having a problem with P and O? Hold up. Didn't I just do the for loop incorrectly? I always gotta go back and check. Cause holy shit, things are just so annoying. Oh, no wonder. It's because I have it as equals, not fucking brackets, less than. No wonder. Alright. Guild. Alright, let's see if we can actually play a quick game here. Alright, let's see. 2 4s. I'm gonna say I'm gonna force their hand. Doesn't look like much. I'm just gonna challenge. Challenge. What the fuck? Where did it? What? Did I spell this wrong? Challenge. Did I spell this right? Hold up. Always gonna make sure. Maybe if we set, I think there's a thing is digit, and we can just say that means we can actually keep the turn going. Yeah, okay, cool. That's what we're gonna do. Is there, let's see, is digit? I think there is a method here. Oh, but it has to have a freaking character. How do I concat it then? Care at. Oh. That, okay, there we go. No, I can just do that then. So what was it? If is digit user response dot care at 0. And that will be just a very distinctive reminder. And then else just give like a little message, hey, can't do that shit. Alright, so yeah, just as I expected with, yep, that's an error. So I forgot to close the brackets. Alright, kill it. What do you mean? Oh, because I'm not doing things right. This is the weird thing of trying to learn this style with one-liners. So, it's trippy. Alright, back to killing commands and then firing on them. Oh, what the fuck do you mean? Come on. Oh, I just have to literally put character. Alright, cool. Anyway, let's start with let's start with 2 6s. Let's let it force its hand and then what the fuck? Oh, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, okay, that makes a lot more sense because this is checking user response and it's gonna do jack shit because the response will always be challenge. So now I have to find a way to, what was it? I gotta back this shit up. So what was it? String priv resp. And we'll just literally, okay. It's literally a simple fix. It's like the simplest fix known to man. And it's not even a band-aid, it's literally just a fucking simple fix. What was it? Priv response equals instead of current response, it will just go straight for user response. What's current die val die? Okay. No, it has to be right after. Yeah, right here. Might as well put it right here. And then have it as prev response, prev, and everything looks good. Alright. Cool. Crashed, so I don't have to worry about having to kill it because it killed itself already. Oh my god, come on! I thought I spelled this correctly. Can't find symbol? What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, I said it as current response, not user response. No wonder. Where the fuck did I find it? Alright, 168. No, don't sign me into some crazy shit. I don't want your... Okay, so user, that works. Anyway, kill it. And that should all be fixed. Alright, back to playing the game. C2 twos. We're gonna go on the, is that a 5? Okay, it's a 5. We're just gonna start with 3 threes, 4 threes. I think he's got 3 threes. I'm gonna go with 3 5s. He bids 4 5s. Then I'm gonna bid 5 5s just to force his hand, and then challenge. Okay, how many 5s did I have? I have 1 5. Wait a minute. I'm so... Okay, so... Oh, I did this wrong. This is a logic error, that's what it is. So num was like the previous bet, and then frequency is what actually was there. Okay, cool. Then we can kill this. Let's play a game of liar's dice. Unofficially. So we're gonna do 2 3s. I'm gonna go wrap the gun and save 3 4s. I'm gonna go downgrade and say 2, but up the value, let's say 2 5s. And then I'm gonna force his hand and challenge. Yeah, cool. So hopefully there should be 11 dice now, so it should only show 11 dice. Okay, we're gonna go with 3 4s. Let's see, 4 out of 11. We're gonna up the ante. Go 6 4s. Challenge. Haha. No! Big bruh moment. It didn't do it properly. Shit. No, that I hoped. I thought it would update it properly, but it didn't. Bum. Player dice remaining. Yeah, of course. Player dice remaining. It should. Would it create a new int? It should overrun it. It should technically overrun it. That's the thing. Hold up, I just need some debugging real quick. So println, create like a debugging thing. Alright. ln, because I think you can overload, you can literally just take over everything. You can create a new one, and theoretically you can overrun it. Okay, come on, man. Cancel. Send, kill, find, send. Killing probably is not a good idea then. Of course. Of course. It spits out the fucking ID code. How about we say length? So I think that means you can that just makes it okay, cool. 6. Oh cool. So nice. So we got something to fall back on. So we're gonna say 4 4s. We're gonna say 3 5s. 4 5s, 4 6s, force the hand. Challenge. Aha. I can read everyone's minds. Okay, yeah, see now it creates a new thing. So why is it deciding, hey, well that fucking explains everything, doesn't it? And by the way, I really did F this up. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, this is why you don't copy and paste code. It just really Fs up everything. And I can just throw it in here. Alright, so send that exit command. Alright, let's see if we can actually play a game here. So we're going to start with, I'm going to go a little higher on here. 3 2s. That's 4 2s. And then I'm just going to jump the gun already and just say 4 6 4. I can't type right now. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. How long have I can't believe how long have I been streaming? 2 hours? Jesus Christ. I'm like literally starving artist, but except starving coder. Anyway, 4 5 6s. I'm just gonna say challenge right away. Aha, down to 5 dice. So you challenged the bid. I think their bid was different. Of course, had to challenge. I'm definitely a god at this game. Anyway, 3 3s. So I bet 3 3s. He bets 4 3s. I'm gonna bet 5 3s and challenge. Yeah, see, now it's changing. Alright, now let me see if I can, let's see if I do something really over the top. So if I add, let's see, I add 3 6s and just out of nowhere just say challenge. Oh, come on, let me just challenge the goddamn guy. Okay, how about this? 2 4s. There we go, got it. Screw you. Now we're down to 5 dice. Let's see, 3 3s. That's 4 3s, yes, 3 left. Do I risk it for the biscuit? That would imply he would have... Oh, Jesus. You know what? Challenge. Let's go! Challenge successful. And then... make the next highest bid. We're just gonna go right up the gun and just say 3 6s just to piss him off. Boom. Bought it because... Okay. I'm just gonna literally say 2 4s and just say... Oh. Yeah, nice to see that works. 2 4s and challenge. Let's go. Alright, nice to see everything works now. I love it. It's getting late and I want to get this done. Because holy crow. Anything that has a at and then dash has to be. And by the way, this is just like the basic prototype known to man. I will definitely make this a lot better off stream, and especially when I post it to GitHub. let's see. So if we add a back to what I was doing here. So if CPU dice remaining so CPU dice remaining is down to 0 or is greater than 0, else game over equals true, winner equals true. A winner is you. And break. I'm just gonna literally just copy and paste this shit in here. Like doot. And then alright. Which reminds me, everything is everything. Oh my god. I don't want to get a don't want to get a migraine right now. See how it looks. Everything done. I think we just gotta do this one last time and then got the game over. State all fixed. Alright, send. And hopefully that's the end. Alright, let's see. We're gonna start basic 2 1s. Alright, here. I want to turn the music off after Aria Math. I'm just gonna say 3 2s. I'm gonna play around with this spot. 3 3s. I'm gonna say 4 5s. And then 6s. Alright. Cool. And I just ended the music. And now, so we got this figured out, now we can focus on here. Challenge. How much was that? It was 3? Yeah, it was 3. Let's go. Down to 5 dice. I'll definitely make it. I'll definitely add an update to make that like less of a bug fix, because that could actually be a lot helpful. Because you just seem to forget the dice sometimes. Let's make the next highest bid. I'm gonna go straight at 2 2s. I'm gonna say 3 5s. Challenge. No 5s whatsoever. Now, if I make this AI a lot smarter, or this computer algorithm a lot smarter, the BS detector is going to be a lot higher, and it'll be really interesting. I have to be very strategic, so I'm just going to go right up the gun and just say 3 6s. Challenge. Ooh, interesting. We'll just do 2 2s. Challenge. Nothing. We're gonna say 2 6s. It's down to 2 dice. Oh, he did have a dice, motherfucker. Anyway, 2 4s. Nice. And then I'll literally just say, let's see, this is a pick your poison moment, and then nice, let's go. Alright. So it does have an ending to this game. Not too bad. I just made a pretty basic game, or just the most basic prototype known to man, in just around 2 hours. Let's see. Let's try it again. Maybe we can give the CPU a chance and just like challenge every time. Let's see. 2 4. Oh, I'm dumb. 2 4s. Let's see, I'm just a child, just a cringe normie that just literally bids and then challenges. Okay, lucked out there. Two 2s. Let's see. 2 3s. Challenge. Did I like literally get a successful one on the first go? Yeah, I did. Wow, I'm totally such a fucking sweat. That's actually hilarious. It's just a roll of the dice, or basically random accident in this case. I gotta bet that they're gonna have a lot, so I'm gonna literally just go right for the throat and just say, be aggressive on this guy. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna start getting a little more aggressive. Alright, and 1 and out. Am I seriously gonna make a comeback from this? Okay, so what about this? 1 4s. Challenge. That failed. Did I have 3 dice? No, I had 2 dice. Okay. How many? Did I literally get down to 3 dice? Oh my god. I had to literally... Wow. I was just trying to give the CPU some mercy just to see that the winner's circle thing would work for the CPU. Oh, good almighty. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Just as I wanted. Oh my god, it's literally just head banging on keyboard. That was so unintentional. I'm gonna win regardless. Unless a 1 in 6 chance. There's a 1 in 6 chance CPU is gonna win. Bruh. Okay. That means I have does that mean I have like a 1 in 6 chance? That the CPU has a 1 in 6 chance of winning? Or, no, fuck, I don't think that's the right, logic and all that. Anyway, let's be a cringe normie again. Just do a little, and just literally just go bit and out. Let's see, we're just gonna be a little too overconfident here. Well, that worked. Not what I wanted. Okay, how about... Did I literally just create the perfect liar's dice strat? Just challenging whenever I want. Oh my god. There is no way. Okay. Sheer fucking hubris. Okay, good. Am I literally gonna... It's once again... I can't believe the cringe normie strat actually is like one of the most annoying yet actually workable. Well, I'd say it's the most annoying yet valid strat to liar's dice. Literally just going straight up like bid on how much dice you had and then straight up say, yeah, fuck it, I'm just gonna challenge the next bid. Alright. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? Is it a 3? Okay, it's a 3. You know what? I'm gonna go right out of left field and just intentionally try to lose. Fuck, I fucking predicted the right number. No. I just want the CPU to get a fucking chance. Okay. I guess I might as well do the most uncanny version ever. This is literally self-sabotage, but I need to get... I'm just so fucking tired. I just want to see if the CPU works. Alright. Am I literally gonna come back from 5 to 1? Is this what it is? I just want... There's no fucking way. There is no fucking way. Cool. Like if I said 2 5s, I would have literally... No. I would have to put up 4 5s, but whatever. Ran out of dice, CPU wins. Cool. That's it. Ah. Oh my god. What is it? 1:21 in the morning for me? I always stay up way too late. I literally just realized... No shit. Just realized that melatonin actually can put you to sleep. Which is something I actually generally take. Nowadays. It's just weird. Like I'm still on winter break because, you know, I don't know about everyone's situation with school, but like that's not always the case. That's like private and all that, and I prefer not to ask. But, you know, I'm still technically on winter break for me, so like my sleep schedule has gotten completely all fucked up. And yeah, it's just I've lost an entire rhythm ever since I went out of the dorms. It's so weird. But anyway, what was it? 2 hours of coding. I think that was well worth it. I think I'm gonna call it for the night. I need to go to bed anyway. Yeah, there's so much stuff. Bye bye. Yeah. Cool. Lol. That would be so cringe. Anyway, yeah, nice to have you on the VC. Or basically in the voice to text. Alright. I mean, I think, what was it? I think it was something. I think it was like a few streams. I think it was a few streams ago when Elliot came. You know, I just said, yeah, it's ultimately his decision if he wanted to use the mic or not. If he's not comfortable using the mic, just don't do it. I mean, really, that for you, that's ultimately your decision. If you want to use your mic, yeah. If you want to use your mic, if you feel comfortable using your mic, then use your mic. If you just don't feel comfortable yet, don't feel forced to. I'm pretty chill either way. I mean, privacy is a pretty it's a pretty sacred thing. And you ultimately gets to choose. Nah. It's just that, yeah, I mean, obviously privacy is just a really crazy thing, and it's you ultimately have the control of what you choose to like put out there. And I've already made my decision of, you know, putting my voice out there. That's not saying that I'm making your choice, you make your own choice. Anyway, I need to end the stream and pack up for the night and go right to bed. Alright. Guess I'll see you on whenever is like late at night and early for you.
Riley/Ryan said, I'll see you on the other side.
Alright, see ya. Alright. As for the YouTube portion, I guess if you saw this randomly, hope y'all enjoyed. That was, I'll definitely do some coding. I'll definitely do a little more revising off stream. May do a little quick thing. A little quick playthrough of it as well. And yeah, I think this was definitely something new. This is something I wanted to do for the new year. Is just do more versatility of streams, like coding streams and all that. Just need to get my coding skills up because I know FNF mod, FNF test dummy is right around the corner of me starting to work on that. And apparently I can only stream late at night when everyone in my house is not using any devices. But you know, if the stream ends up going tits up and all buffered and all that, I recorded something, so as long as the recording hasn't gone tits up, then everything seems to be okay. But other than that, that was really good. For those who tuned in, regardless where you were, I just thank you all for coming. And I need to head to bed, so I'm gonna end the stream now.